Hey, we are expert locksmiths that deal with evictions when they arise. This is an area that needs sensitivity and also knowledge of the law. Each state in the USA have their various laws related to evictions, and the locksmith needs to know and understand what is required before they attempt to carry out an eviction and change over of new locks, rekey of locks, or close all windows. Locksmith Queens Inc. offers open doors for sheriff, change locks, secure the premises, provide new keys, close all windows, and much more. Call now 212-203-6021 and mention this video and get 15% off. Again, 212-203-6021.